Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how we can change the page format to A4 paper or A5 paper and so on and so forth on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your document. Let me zoom out a bit here. So that's the canvas or document, and we can see it's most likely an A4 format of the page or paper. So what you want to do is right click into your canvas, choose document properties. So use the shortcut Shift-Control-D. And here in the document properties, navigate to the display tab, and here next to format, click into the drop-down menu and choose one of these options. So we got, for example, various front page formats from the United States, or from that category, or others. So as you can see, you can use one of these or customize it. So I will go with, for example, A5, which is 148 by 210 millimeters, and now it's A5, and that's basically it. You will see the width and height below. You may change that as well. So here's the preview, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, the paper format now has been changed. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.